What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, bringing back the relic, the Haggard E36. We're at Tommy at Cove Automotive Shop. He's the one who purchased the Haggard E36 from Rudnick, and we've been working on it. Today, thanks to Maxpeeding rods, we're actually putting decent suspension on the car instead of the stock suspension. And we're gonna go through that whole process, kind of go over what Tommy's been doing on the car, and get these coilovers in for him. Stay tuned. Getting the wheels off. This thing actually has some sort of cheap like Raceland coilover or something. I don't know what they are. I didn't know it had coilovers in the rear. That's pretty cool. So the fronts are stock, what are they, Bilstein shocks or whatever. Just OEM E36 stuff. So got all the wheels off. Now we're gonna see how quick we can get the coilovers installed. I should have brought my tripod. I could have did a time lapse, but oh, okay. All right, cool. So yeah, let's see what we can do real quick. Just like that, this thing is slammed. It already looks so much better. We switched the wheels out because he was using my wheels, and these are the wheels that came with the car. He has a set of, like I said, the C4 salad shooters that are getting painted at my shop right now, and then they're going to be going on here. So yeah, I mean, no purchase in the rear, but he says he's going to put them back and lift the rear a smidge, and then once he gets his wheels, he'll put everything back on. He's going to get fenders so we can actually see how the fitment is in the front, whether we got to lift it, lower it, whatever. These are all cut wonky. Rudnick cut these pretty gnarly, but he cut them because he was trying to fit the his 18-inch Apex wheels off his LS E36 on here to use at Adams, but ended up just destroying the fenders. So new fenders, but we're gonna get the stickers and stuff remade. Just clean it up. It looks pretty good. Crazy what just lowering a car can do. So one step closer to a decent car. The only casualty was we were gonna have to drill this rear spindle out and nut and bolt the bolt because it pulled some threads. It's in, it tightened down, but we don't trust it. So Tommy's gonna drill, nut and bolt the shock on the rear, and then this bolt broke on the front and we had to replace it. But besides that, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, really easy. Maxpeeding gives us everything we need to install the coilovers, and what a difference, what a difference. And we adjusted the rears properly, so it's not super stiff like my E36. It actually has some movement to it. So I'm gonna have to adjust mine to make it like this. Let me know what you guys want to see with it, whether you want it to be, leave it the way it is, which isn't gonna happen. We're gonna change it we're at least gonna clean it. I already cut myself like 3 times on this. That's gotta go. But yeah, just clean it up, paint it back flat black, redo the stickers, maybe overs, pull the quarter, like fix it up, make it like presentable, decent, because it's kind of clapped, but it's not bad. Like outside looks rough, chassis and everything is good. So I think I can pull this back here and get it, at least get the trunk and everything lined up and to fasten properly, and replace this little piece here, pull the quarter, yeah, overs, whatever. So on the next video, we'll have, like I said, we're working with Flash Arc now. They're sending headers and full catback or full exhaust for this thing because the exhaust is broken at the header or something. So we're just gonna put full exhaust on it. He has the wheels, the spacers. He's gonna get tires, finish up the interior, harness bar, harness, seat, make it decent. And then the next video will be us taking the car out and testing it with the suspension and then new setup and seeing how everything goes. And then maybe we'll start cleaning up the body a little bit. We have some ideas. We're not gonna change it drastically. It's still gonna be like nostalgic, and you're definitely gonna know the car if you see it, but we're just gonna clean it up a little bit. So I think it's coming together pretty well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.